Sorry about that technical error. I'm not sure what happened there, but I'm now inside 24 Birch Grove in this newly renovated completely from top to bottom. We've got beautiful eat-in kitchen with a large island. The countertops are quartz. Nice under cabinet storage. We also have all new stainless steel appliances, a gas stove, lots of storage here, and a great space to entertain. We've got the eat-in dining room, and then the lovely cozy living room with a nice fireplace, TV above, and lots of space to hang out. As you will see, there is a large deck going the length of the back of the house here with beautiful private yard, large mature trees, and a great space to hang out. So let's head back inside now. And we will head towards the front door again and down a hallway here that will take you to front closet. And then this super funky bathroom. Look at those tiles. How cool is that? So this is a two-piece bath. Complete everything brand new. I just love those tiles. Look how cool they look. And then off to the right, we have the master bedroom. Nice natural light coming in. Modern side lighting, both sides of the bed. And then a lovely walk-in closet here with a sliding barn door, which is super neat, as you can see. And the ensuite. So this is a very nice ensuite here with lovely finishes, double sink, and a lovely soaker tub, which is perfect for relaxing after a long day. Again, here is the view of the master bedroom again from this angle. I should say that the flooring is engineered hardwood, and then in the hallway here it's ceramic. Let's head back out towards the front entrance here, into the living room again. Nice bright windows, pot lights throughout. You can see the lovely yard and the views into the backyard from your living room. Now let's head on downstairs. Look at this nice glass railing area, nice big windows to the front of the home and your front porch. And then we'll head on downstairs. I should say that all the windows have been replaced, newer roof, brand new septic. So all those big ticket items have been updated. As we come down the stairs here, you will notice that the flooring here is unfinished, but before closing, the sellers will be putting in carpet. It's just on order. We have a stone gas fireplace here, which is stunning. Live Edgewood mantle. And a walkout door, sliding glass door to the rear of the home. We have over here at the end of this room is a convenient laundry room, the washer and dryer, a nice folding area, nice bright window. And then as I turn around, we've got the rear yard. I will take you out there once I'm done inside here to show you just how lovely it is. So I'm going to slowly swing around here back to this gas fireplace, and then down this hallway to the lower 2 bedrooms. We've got a nice bright bedroom here, laminate, nice big closet space, nice and cozy. And then as we go down the hallway a little bit further, we have another bright lower level bedroom, nice bright window, some shiplap, and another closet there. So as you can see, every room is very spacious, bright. And then at the end of this hall, we have, let me just turn on the light here so you can see, a 3-piece bathroom. So shower, nice brand new sink, conveniently located for the lower level. And as we head back down the hall, we've got some storage here as well. Storage room, and then back out to the lower family room. Like I said, if you have any questions, feel free to comment in the chat below. We'd be happy to answer those for you. Again, I'm at 24 Birch Grove in Horseshoe Valley. It's listed at $860,000. Brand new renovations, complete, and lovely finishes. So here is the rear of the home. We've got some interlock sidewalk here. You can see the nice mature trees. This lot is under half an acre. It's 100 by 230. So lots of room here to explore and enjoy the outdoors. Thanks again for watching today. If you have any questions about this property or any other properties, please reach out. We'd be happy to answer those for you. And have a wonderful weekend. Enjoy this beautiful weather. Thanks again. Bye-bye.